Alright guys, so this is where we are, you know? There's them scuff here, you know, the washing machine was right. So we will be putting this house for rent, putting it on the market. Alright, so I'll leave more information as time goes by. Alright. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of the Del Pratt family, you know. Today, Cass and everybody is at home. You get me? I said the family is at home, guys. You know, because I have to go up on the road to deal with some important matters. Alright, we actually have a family rental property, you see me I say, that I manage. Right? Old man overseas, you see me help him out with that. Alright, so this property we actually do long-term rentals with it. Tenant not too long move out, you know, but we have to prepare the property for other tenants. So today now I'll get some paint, right, and some supplies. You know, I actually have the paint of them lined up already. They will meet me down there, you know. So join me guys as you know, I grab some paint. I see what the prices them look like in the shops. Alright, you know, it's been a little while since I last buy paint. I know how Jamaica economy set up where everything go up 3 and 4 fold in a space of no time. So we're gonna check out 1 or 2 hardware stores just to see what the prices are like, you know, and you know, buy a couple gallon of paint and such like, you know. So join me guys. Alright. Yeah guys, so you guys know we actually operate an Airbnb apartment, you get me I say, you know. So we always, from a longer time, we always believe in real estate, you know, owning, you know, multiple, you know, real estate, you know, and you know stop here. So we are go look for, you know, expand our portfolio some more, you know, as the years go by, you know. But for us it's really important, right? We, as we said, we do short-term rental via Airbnb and we also do long-term rental. So different properties have different scope, right? And also depending on a lot of things as well, right? Perhaps the convenience, because you know with short-term rental is something you have to manage, right? So it just depends on you, you know, what you want out of it and how convenient it is for you. You know, you're gonna determine whether, you know, you're gonna do short-term or long-term rental. A lot of variables, a lot of things, and location, a lot of things. So, you know, I won't go too much into that in this video, but you know, just to show that, you know, owning real estate is really important. You know, can, you know, generate generational wealth. You know, you know, you can leave something for your family, right? You know, my old man, big up yourself, Byron. You know, people call him Wrigley's. You know, big up yourself, daddy, isn't it? Yeah, so I mean, him always talk about leaving something for him grandchildren. You know, it really was something important for him, and just the way how him relate to him grandkids, you know, them really important to him. So I mean, when him left off of the face of the earth, at least, you know, him gonna leave something for them, you know. Him never really come from a family, affluent family, have it like that or whatever, but him always try to make things better, you know, for him children and the like. So yeah guys, that's, you know, basically that. So nearby the store, so I'll be pulling up in a couple of minutes. Alright, so yeah guys, do remember to hit the like button, alright, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet to the Del Pratt family, and you know, make sure your notification settings is on all. Alright, yeah guys, so see you. Hey guys, so actually in the paint section, you see me, so let's see what is what. Alright, so I'm there right now. I'm try to get some information about the paint. Yeah, so what you say, ask me for low sheen or low sheen or flat. What you recommend? Sheen. Why? So the wall can wipe kind of thing?
And it's more durable.
More durable. The sheen paint.
Stay longer.
Okay.
So if you want mess, you can just wipe it and go.
Okay, so the sheen paint stay longer. You know, you can wipe if you mess up. You know, versus the next one, the flat one where I think I've seen that before a while. If you touch that, you can't wipe it.
Yes, it's have a matte look. If you mess up, you can't wipe it. It just paints everything.
Okay, alright. So more about 10 gallon to the walls and the ceiling.
What color?
Cream.
You can put the flat in the ceiling.
The flat in the ceiling.
Yeah,
the flat cheaper.
In the ceiling, yeah.
Okay.
But because you're not touching the ceiling and all of that, you can put it in there.
Okay, so she say better use the flat cheaper, you say? Okay, I get you. Alright, that makes sense. So flattening on the ceiling and then the lower sheen on the wall.
Most people call this cream too. We call gardener cream. They call off-white and bone white cream, but this is bone white, but this is what cream looks like.
Okay. Yeah, the house already, the interior already in a like gardener.
Look on the one. The color?
Oh, this color. Yeah, man, it's like it's like this. Alright, so and the said the ceiling are the same color too.
Ceiling in the same color. So
yeah.
You just come by.
Alright, so you're saying the 5 gallon can do the 2-room, living room, bathroom, and the kitchen, 1 5 gallon. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna work with that. Alright, so the expert shall guide me, right? So I do the 5 gallon for that, and then the ceiling low, about probably 3 gallon. About 3 gallon. Alright, so guys, I'm sorry I can't put her on the video, she's very courteous. Alright. Yeah, what's your name though? We can ask your name nonetheless. Claudia. Alright, so yeah, Claudia, I'm rendering all this as the assistant today because it seems like she's a paint expert. How long are you working at the department here? Almost 5 years. So Claudia gain all the experience. Here in our hardware Portmore Mall. So if you know need painting, you can come ask for Claudia. Alright guys, so she gonna get the paint then, you know. Alright, so we're here in our hardware Portmore Mall. Hardware there about a long time. You see me? So I know them sell reasonable, so I just come here. I'm gonna plan to spend no whole lot of money. Right, so we just want to get the paint them to get the place up on a level, you know? Alright, so this should help fill up my grocery basket. Guys, we take care of the paint in our house, you know, cause expensive to paint over a house. You understand? The interior paint, when I look upon it so far, 40,000. You know? Yeah man, I hope all this can do.
I remember tell the painter not to put any water in the paint.
Don't put no water in the paint. And why is that?
Because when you put water in the paint, it cut the base and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it causes the paint to white out and all of that.
Yeah, it changes the constitution of the paint.
Yeah.
Break down the water, break down the paint. So even though a water paint, you still not advise putting water in it. Okay.
Because sometimes even you put a little, let's say put a little bit in there, but sometimes people just
stretch it out. Yeah.
And then alright, so
the brown, you got the brown too?
yeah man, the brown put in there first.
Okay.
And that's it. That's it. So you just pay for the
Yeah, pay for the 2 sleeves then.
Yeah man.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Alright, good doing business, you know?
Okay.
Alright guys, so basically I have all the supplies. Alright. Yeah man, so on the move now guys. Alright. Hey guys, so I'm up on my way now, you know, we have the paint them and the roller, thinner, of all of that. You know, 43,000 little bit we spend, you know, just to paint out a two bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living room, basically that. Yeah, basically that. Yeah man, 43,000 much guys. So just to have an idea of how much it costs to paint a place. So we plan to paint the outside as well, right? But I do the inside part first, and then I see how, me reassess, like probably tomorrow into Monday or whatever, because today is Saturday, mind you guys. So see how it goes next couple of days. I mean, real estate investing is the way to go. You understand? Tangible asset, ever appreciating. Right, so this is where we are, There's them scuff here, the washing machine was right here, so the hose from the washing machine mess up that, because what should have happened was Tenant should have bore a hole and run the water outside, but instead them have the hose on the wall. So yeah, but anyway, this is it. 2-bedroom, 1 bath house. Alright, so as I say, we are getting back ready for the next family, So we have here with me my good friend Errol. He might help me with the painting. Yeah, man. So tell them big up, Yeah. Cool, huh? Yeah, man. I'll get some help soon, but he might go and start doing things. Yeah, man. Alright, so this is 1 room. Alright, this is the second room actually. Alright, we have cupboards. We call it closet. Closet they don't want to touch. They really want no much work. Alright. This is the bathroom. Leading into the main bedroom. Right, so you can notice the main bedroom have its separate entrance to the bathroom, but the bathroom itself is shared with the other room. So yeah, we are touch out the walls because we want to ensure that the other persons that are coming, they are comfortable, right? They have a clean slate to start with. Yeah. So I guess this is it, guys. Alright. And actually have the veranda area as well. So I paint off, so I'm gonna get a separate paint, a darker color to this, to paint the veranda area. And we also have to paint the grills as well. Alright, and I'll get the landscaper. I'm gonna get the landscaper to come cut the yard. Alright, so catch the door. You can probably use the paint bucket for the time being.
Breeze are nice, I come to.
Yeah, you don't want to block out the breeze.
Yeah, paint fast.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so this is how it is, when you invest in a real estate. You have constant home improvement projects. Alright. Yep, so any queries, guys? You have your water. Yeah, any comments, guys? Any queries? You can leave that in the comment section. We'll actually rent this out. It's New Harbour Village, St. Catherine, all over St. Catherine, Jamaica. So we will be putting this out for rent, putting it on the market. Alright, so I'll leave more information as time goes by. Alright. Now this is the only bathroom and suite. Alright, so what we're discussing now, this sink here is kind of falling, so Errol will come up with a solution to get it mounted onto the wall properly.
Yeah, man, solution up and running already.
Yeah, this is the shower, guys. Alright, so as I said, we'll paint up, get it looking nicely. The grills will be painted as well. Alright, yep. This is the bathroom. The kitchen area, I think I have to go change this. I think I might have to go change this. This is the sink. Over here, the water damage caused that. Alright. And as I say, all the grills Go and paint them, get on them old curtains here, and get everything looking sharp.
And that dry next year.
Yeah, what's that?
Just I prepare the wall now, clean it up and everything.
Yeah.
You know, before I start paint.
Yeah, man.
When they got dirt and them thing and all that, cut them out and fill them back.
Yes.
Get off these off a wall. I want the wall for pretty and nice.
Yeah. Proper prep work.
Thing, yeah. Thing off of the wall, get it back good as new.
Alright.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Alright.
What a big bird there, babe. John Crow that?
John Crow.
John, know the first me see John Crow like that. So. What want people?
Hey guys. Yeah man, so right now I finish up with the house.
Yeah.
You understand it? Done paint now. You get me? I say done paint. The yard clean up and everything ready for the new tenants, you know?
Yeah.
Before me give them the keys, me I go just clear up any debris we might run the yard and them something there. You get me? I say? Any little, me I just go through, run through, make sure so them get a clean slate.
Yeah.
You get me? I say?
Basically prepare the place for the new tenant. We've also prepared our rental agreement. We have it with us.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah. So I guess he's gonna sign that.
So the new tenant, them are go sign off and thing. The rental agreement is important. You know what I mean? I mean, we know sometimes we might anxious forget the money. You see me? Forget to close out the business. But the rental agreement is very, very important, guys.
Yeah.
You mean, don't skip over that. Don't just use word of mouth and make somebody come in your place. Or even you as a tenant too. Nobody make a landlord just tell you no thing and you just jump in there. You understand? Sign paperwork is very important. And actually, we'll be doing some videos. So, just with us interacting with tenants, right? We see the lot of teaching moment we come out at it.
Yeah.
You understand what we can share with you guys. So, when you can look out for those videos, guys, we're gonna talk about things to look out for as a owner, you know what I mean? Like basically the pros and cons with long-term rental.
Yeah.
You know, because we know on this channel a lot of time we talk about Airbnb, or we not delve into the long-term rental topic them too much. You understand how can I put it on the back burner?
Yeah.
But we rent long-term too. You know, so yeah guys, we're gonna talk more about that. Alright, so we're on our way now. We're gonna meet with the tenants. We're gonna make them sign the agreement.
Yeah.
We're gonna check around, make sure that everything alright, and we give them the keys and all of that, guys. So stay tuned.
Yep.
Hey guys, so we are actually here now.
Yeah.
You know, the window mesh, them not put in, I put them in now. Likewise, the receptacle cover them. Then they are going to put on now too.
Yeah.
You know, but separate from that, the guy did an excellent job with the paint work. You see me, I say, moving ready. And just the floors them need for white now.
Yeah.
Right?
Countertops need to be clean.
Yeah, the countertop need to be clean. You know, everything is circumspect, right? The grill them paint nicely. You know, everything look good, you know, already. Yeah guys, so this is the living, dining, kitchen, all in one. Alright guys. Yeah. The open concept.
Yeah.
Right, similar to how most of these houses are designed these days.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Real vaulted ceilings.
Yeah man. We're leaving some extra paint and what do you call it? Filler. Some filler as well. So if they want to touch up work, them have that. Alright.
Yeah. So basically, just to ensure that the place is moving ready and you're getting a clean slate, clean place,
Right.
clean walls, clean floors, clean everything, and everything is functional.
Right guys. So this is basically it. I don't remember the square footage. It's probably a 810. We purchased this house back in 2016 thereabout, right? So to be honest, I have to go back to the manuals and to see the exact size, but I think this is like 810 or 850 square feet, something like that. 2 bed, 1 bath.
What's also important too, guys, is to capture footage of your compound, your place.
Yes.
Just before
hand over. Yes.
That's going to become critical.
Yeah.
When you have any disputes.
Right.
Between yourself and your tenant. Pray that you don't.
Yeah, but just in case.
Yeah.
You're kind of echoing. Right. This is what an empty house sounds like. You know, pardon the echo, guys. Yeah, so it's basically it. You get a little patio as well. Alright. You have a patio space. Yeah, so this is it. Alright, guys. So
signing out, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. If you don't subscribe yet, don't know wait for. Alright, remember to give us a thumbs up and hit the bell. Alright, get that post notification game up and so the setting is on all.
alright, guys. Peace out.